Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll discuss about one more company called IIFL Finance. So this particular company is the sector of financing, home loan, gold loan, business loan and other kind of loans. So we'll discuss about this company in detail and we'll discuss the fundamentals, we'll see the technical chart when we'll get to the targets. And apart from that, this entire video is based on an article by Mint. So we'll discuss that article also, we'll see what kind of impact the article talks about and what is the reason behind discussing this stock and how this article and stock discussion is related. So we'll see all the things in details. But before we get into all these things, 2 points as usual. First thing, this is not a recommendation video. This is my personal research. If you want to invest in this particular company, please do your own research and use this video at educational purpose and references only. Second thing, few points that first of all, if you like our content, if you like what I do, don't forget like the content and share this with your friends, family and social network. And if you think it's helpful, don't forget subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I publish a new video. Second thing is that I also have a Telegram channel where I share small updates for which video cannot be created. So if you are interested in those kind of updates, you can join the channel. It's free of cost and we don't put a lot of information like spamming. We put only when we get some kind of concrete information, concrete value points or value adds. Now let's jump into the discussion part of the stock. So we'll see what IIFL Finance does. So it's very evident from the website that this company does all kind of loans. You see home loan, they have a lot of things like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, new home loan, home renovation loan, NRI home loan and some balance transfer existing other companies personal loans, so home loans. Then we can go for gold loan. If we talk about gold loan, then this company has a digital gold loan calculator, rates and charges and gold loan repayment and process documents required. They have mentioned everything. And if you go to business loan, then this company has business loan calculator, what they show here, process documents required and repayments facilities. So this company deal with all kind of loans. If you go to others, we'll check secured SME loan, digital finance, loans against securities, personal loan and Samasta microfinance. In the case of, they have launched a new facility called personal loan processed in less than 5 minutes. So if you have loan requirement of less than 1 lakh, then they can process your loan within few hours with most minimum documentation. So this is a new facility. Now we'll go back to the article and come back here again. So as per the article from Mint, I will leave the link in the description if you want to read in detail. But as of now, this paragraph is very important. So gross scrap supplies, which include old gold melted to make new designs, may exceed 215 tons and surge to the highest in 9 years if a new wave surges. The new wave means third wave of COVID-19. For a nation that imports almost all its gold, mainly from Switzerland, higher local supplies also limit overseas inflows. So why we are looking at a higher local supply? So there are three reasons behind it. First reason is that COVID first wave, a lot of people lost their job or lost their earning capacity. Somehow they survived because of gold loan and other kind of loans. Due to second wave, more and more people were thrown inside the bus, under the bus for BPL. Now when they are under BPL, they don't have any other way. So they are either selling those golds or again going for gold loans if they have some gold still left. So in both the scenarios, the flow of old gold will be more in the market and there will be less import from the Switzerland kind of countries. So this is one reason. Now what happens to this kind of companies like IIFL, Manappuram Finance and other companies which are mostly into gold loan. So what this company does is, this company either people come for gold loan, they'll give you loan because the price of gold is higher than before, like last 2 years. So you'll get more amount in terms of loan for the gold you give. So either these companies give gold loan, so this company's sales will be higher because of the situation. So this is that situation where a company, I'll tell a company uses the adversity to its benefit. So it's not that company is doing wrong. They are also giving option to people to get money with their assets. So company is not wrong, but the situation is adverse and these companies get benefited out of adversity. So the people will deposit the loan, the gold loan, and one more option is that these companies already have gold, but the people are unable to repay, so they will sell this gold in the market. So they are not losing anything. So whatever COVID-19 situation happens, this company is going to get benefited in every way, either for new loan or existing loan also. Just for example, if you see this particular part of this article, so Manappuram Finance Limited, one of the nation's biggest gold loan providers, auctioned 4.04 billion rupees, around $54 million of gold in the 3 months through March from loans that turned sour following a sharp drop in prices. That compares with just 80 million rupees auctioned in the prior 9-month period. The jewelry was sold as Manappuram borrowers, typically daily wage earners, small-time entrepreneurs, and farmers, could not afford to repay the money. So imagine the magnitude of this. It took one third of the time, and the amount of gold which auctioned was more than 10-20 times, around 30 times, around 50 times more compared to previous auction. So this is the kind of situation the country is going through, especially for people who are not into salaries but are daily wage earners, small entrepreneurs, and farmers. So when this kind of situation comes, it's a sad one, but from the market point of view and company point of view, this is a good point. And that's the reason we're discussing about personal this IIFL Finance today. This company has a very good market share when it comes to gold loan, and they're going to benefit a lot out of all the situations going to come in the future. So far, we're trying to cover up how come out of COVID second phase, but the impact will take time to show, maybe few months or a couple of quarters. But this company is going to get benefit a lot from all these things is going to come through, and all the kind of pain which people are going to go through after this now. So this is what the company does, and this is what the article says how these things are related. So if this part is clear, let's jump to the financials and the fundamental part. So this is the fundamental. If you see, this company is small cap company, it's only 10,236 crores. It's almost a mid cap company. Current price 270, where the high was 347. Stock P is quite attractive, 13.4 only. Being a finance based company, ROC of 10.3, ROE of 15% is very good. Debt to equity ratio is 6.05. That's very good. I told long time in many other finance videos also that more is the debt, better is the company when it comes to finance companies, and this is a NBFC. So debt is 32,000 crores. That's a good amount of debt, and the profit is 760 crores. Now if you go to quarterly results, they have done quite exceptionally good. In last few quarters, if you see 1306, 1027 in June, but after that 1466, 1489 and 1598, small amount of growth. But going forward, it will become very much better than before. If you go to profit and loss statement for last 10 years, they started with 1123 and they have reached for 5857 till now. So in last 3 years, we see it's 4978, 4847 and 5857 crores of sales this company has done, and they are going strong. Now if you see net profit is also almost second highest throughout their entire 10-11 years of cycle. So this is good for the company. Now if you see reserves for this company has grown a lot from 1547 to 5312 in this particular year. So this is almost almost 4 times growth this company has shown, almost 3.5 to 4 times growth of reserves for this company also. So fundamentally this company is good. Situation and the market condition and the condition of in the country economically also supports the growth of this company. So this everything looks good from points. Now if you go to see the shareholding pattern, this is very interesting. They have only 24%, 24.96, almost 25% promoter holdings, but and 21.5% is FIIs and 0.19 is DIs. But if you expand the public shareholding, then you will see that there are a lot of strongholds involved with majority share. Like FIH Mauritius has got 22.34, CDS Group PLC has got 15.44, Parajia Bharat Himatlal I got 5.20, and this person has got 1.38. So this kind of strongholds they have. If you subtract everything, then probably only 8% is around 8% is there with the retail investors. So that's a very small amount of money with the retail investors, remaining everything with the strong hands. So it's 92% with the strong hands, only 8% retail investors. So this since promoters are very highly bullish on this company, we can definitely consider this company as a good growing factor in the long run. So we discussed the business, we discussed the impact of COVID-19 on this business, understand what the company does, we understood what these fundamentals and all the numbers looks like. So far everything looks good. Let's jump to technical part and see what kind of opportunity we have in this particular company. So this is what I've drawn first. So this company is triggering in a channel pattern. So before this company was doing in a channel, so just to showcase how it works, first this company was in this channel from here and here, and then it broke here and this give a good jump till here. This happened in the season channel from November to February, and once it broke this, it went very high very fast, and then again it's consolidating in this particular channel. So this is one opportunity where if it breaks this channel, it will again jump very high and very fast. My personal target would be for this company same kind of movement. It's like from here to here. Now if you drag this line on top over the box, Just to show you this, I'll just drag it down and put it on top. So this is what we are looking for. So this is the target what we can get from if it crosses the box. So around 75.9, 76% target. Now if it crosses the, if it takes from current price point, if you see, then this is probably 82% return we can get in this stock once it from the current point. And this is a channel, so it will definitely break this channel. And once it breaks this opportunity, what we can get below, if you see the downside movement is very less. It's only probably if you see from here, then it's less than, it's around only around 8%. So the risk to reward ratio is very good. 9% is the risk, but reward is 82.11%. It's a very good opportunity. And keeping all things in mind, this looks very, it should not take a lot of time for this company to grow at this level and return it and give us a good kind of return, this kind of return. So this is my personal research and personal opinion. If you like this content, don't forget to give your feedback and like, share and subscribe to the channel and the content. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.